Car parts. Body components, including trim. Interior cab. Engine compartment. Bonnet. Hood. Support stick. Hinges. Car cover. Bumper. Unexposed bumper. Exposed bumper. Cowl screen. Deck lid. Fender. Fascia. Grill. Pillar. Hard trim. Quarter panel. Radiator. Core support. Rocker. Roof rack. Spoiler. Front spoiler. Rear spoiler. Rims. Hubcap. Tyre. Trim package. Trunk boot latch. Valance. Welded assembly. Doors. Anti-intrusion bar. Outer door handle. Inner door handle. Door control module. Door seal. Door water shield. Hinge. Door latch. Door lock and power door locks. Central locking. Fuel tank door. Windows. Glass. Sunroof. Sunroof motor. Sunroof rail. Sunroof glass. Window motor. Window regulator. Windshield. Windshield washer motor. Window seal. Antenna assembly. Antenna cable. Radio. Media player. Speaker. Tuner. Subwoofer. Video player. Cameras. Backup camera. Dashcam. Digital camera. Low voltage electrical supply system. Alternator. Battery. Performance battery. Battery box. Battery cable terminal. Battery cable. Battery control system. Battery plate. Battery tray. Battery cap. Sulfuric acid. Distilled water. Voltage regulator. Gauges and meters. Ammeter. Clinometer. Dynameter. Fuel gauge. Manometer. Hydrometer. Odometer. Speedometer. Tachometer. Temperature gauge. Tire pressure gauge. Vacuum gauge. Voltmeter. Water temperature meter. Oil pressure gauge. Ignition switch. Sparking cable. Distributor. Distributor cap. Electronic timing controller. Ignition box. Ignition coil. Ignition coil connector. Ignition coil parts. Ignition magneto. Spark plug. Glow plug. Lighting and signalling systems. Automotive lighting. Engine bay lighting. Fog lighting. Spotlight. Headlight. Headlight motor. Interior light and lamp. Center dome. Vanity sun visor. Floor and door lamp, trunk lamp, license plate lamp, side lighting, brake light, tail light cover, indicator light, turn signal, sensors, ABS sensor, airbag sensors, automatic transmission speed sensor, brake sensor, camshaft position sensor, crankshaft position sensor, coolant temperature sensor, fuel level sensor, fuel pressure sensor, knock sensor, light sensor, MAP sensor, mass airflow sensor, oil level sensor, oil pressure sensor, oxygen sensor, throttle position sensor, starting system, starter, starter drive, starter pinion gear, starter motor, starter solenoid, glow plug, electrical switches, battery, door switch, ignition switch, power window switch, steering column switch, switch cover, switch panel, thermostat, frame switch, fan ditch, parts and functions of a starter system, neutral safety switch, wiring harness, air conditioning harness, engine compartment harness, interior harness, floor harness, main harness, control harness, miscellaneous, airbag control module, alarm and siren, central locking system, chassis control computer, cruise control computer, door contact, engine computer and management system, electronic control unit, engine control unit, fuse box, ground strap, grab handle, navigation system, performance chip, performance monitor, relay connector, remote lock, shift improver, speed controller, speedometer calibrator, transmission computer, wiring connector, floor components and parts, carpet and rubber and other floor material, center consoles, other components, roll cage or exo cage, dashboard, car seat, armrest, bench seat, bucket seat, fastener, child safety seat, headrest, seatbelt, seatbelt bracket, seat cover, seat track, other seat components, back seat, front seat, power train and chassis, frame, braking system, anti-lock brakes, ABS steel pin, front right side sensor, front left side sensor, rear right side sensor, rear left side sensor, ABS motor circuit, adjusting mechanism, anchor, bleed nipple, brake backing plate, brake backing pad, brake cooling duct, brake disc, brake fluid, brake drum, brake lining, brake pad, brake pedal, brake piston, brake pump, brake roll, brake rotor, brake servo, brake shoe, brake lining, shoe web, brake warning light, caliper, calibrated friction brake, combination valve, dual circuit brake system, hold down springs, hose, brake booster hose, air brake nylon hose, brake duct hose, air brake nylon hose, hydraulic booster unit, load sensing valve, master cylinder, metering valve, park brake lever, pressure differential valve, proportioning valve, reservoir, shoe return spring, tyre, vacuum brake booster, wheel cylinder, wheel stud, electrified powertrain component, electric motor, induction motor, synchronous motor, high voltage battery pack, battery management system, nickel metal hydride battery, lithium ion battery, fuel cells, hydrogen tank, DC to DC converter, inverter, charge point, type 2 connector, SAE J1772, CCS, thermal management system, radiator, fan, antifreeze, charger, engine component and parts, diesel engine, petrol engine, accessory belt, air duct, air intake housing, air intake manifold, camshaft, camshaft bearing, camshaft fastener, camshaft follower, camshaft locking plate, camshaft push rod, camshaft spacer ring, camshaft phase variator, connecting rod bearing, connecting rod bolt, connecting rod washer, crank case, crank pulley, crank shaft oil seal, cylinder head cover, other cylinder head cover parts, cylinder head gasket, distributor cap, drive belt, engine block, engine cradle, engine shake damper, engine valve, fan belt, gungeon pin, harmonic balancer, heater, mounting, piston pin, crank pin, piston pin bush, piston ring and circlip, poppet valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve, pulley part, rocker arm, rocker cover, starter motor, starter pinion, starter ring, turbocharger, supercharger, tappet, timing belt, timing tape, valve cover, valve housing, valve spring, valve stem seal, water pump pulley, engine cooling system, air blower, coolant hose, cooling fan, fan belt, fan clutch, radiator, radiator bolt, radiator fan shroud, radiator gasket, radiator pressure cap, overflow tank, thermostat, water neck O-ring, water pipe, water pump gasket, water tank, engine oil systems, oil filter, oil gasket, oil pan, oil pipe, oil pump, oil strainer, oil suction filter, exhaust systems, catalytic converter, exhaust clamp, exhaust flange gasket, exhaust gasket, exhaust manifold gasket, exhaust pipe, heat shield, heat sleeving and tape, resonator, muffler, spacer ring, fuel supply system, air filter, carburetor, choke cable, exhaust gas recirculation valve, fuel cap, fuel cell component, fuel cooler, fuel distributor, fuel filter seal, fuel injector nozzle, fuel line, fuel pump gasket, fuel pressure regulator, fuel rail, fuel tank cover, fuel water separator, intake manifold gasket, LPG system assembly, throttle body, suspension and steering systems, axle, ball joint, beam axle, camber arm, control arm, idler arm, kingpin, lateral link, panhard rod, pitman arm, power steering assembly and component, spindle, rack end, shock absorber, spring, air spring, coil spring, leaf and parabolic leaf spring, rubber spring, spiral spring, stabilizer bars and link, steering arm, steering box, steering pump, steering column assembly, steering rack, steering shaft, steering wheel, strut, stub axle, suspension link and bolt, tie rod end, trailing arm, transmission system, adjustable pedal, axle shaft, bell housing, universal joint, carrier assembly, chain wheel and sprocket, clutch assembly, clutch cable, clutch disc, clutch fan, clutch fork, clutch hose, clutch lining, clutch pedal, clutch pressure plate, clutch shoe, clutch spring, differential, differential case, pinion bearing, differential clutch, spider gears, differential casing, differential flange, differential gear, differential seal, flywheel, flywheel ring gear, flywheel clutch, gear, gear coupling, gear pump, gear ring, gear stick, gear box, idler gear, knuckle, master cylinder, output shaft, pinion, planetary gear set, prop shaft, shift cable, shift fork, shift knob, slave cylinder, speed reducer, speedometer gear, steering gear, torque converter, transaxle housing, transfer case, transmission gear, transmission pan, transmission seal, transmission spring, transmission yoke, miscellaneous auto parts, air conditioning system, automobile air conditioning, AC clutch, AC compressor, AC condenser filter, AC hose high pressure, AC relay, AC valve, AC expansion valve, AC low pressure valve, AC Schroeder valve, AC inner plate, AC cooler, AC suction hose pipe, AC discharge hose pipe, AC gas receiver, cabin air filter, condenser, evaporator, bearings, grooved ball bearing, needle bearing, roller bearing, sleeve bearing, wheel bearing, hose, fuel vapor hose, reinforced hose, non-reinforced hose, radiator hose, other miscellaneous parts, adhesive tape and foil, airbag, bolt cap, license plate bracket, cables, speedometer cable, cotter pin, dashboard, center console, glove compartment, drag link, dynamic seal, emblem, fastener, gasket, hood release cable, horn, injection molded parts, instrument cluster, label, mirror, phone mount, number plate, nut, flange nut, hex nut, O-ring, paint, rivet, rubber, screw, shim, sun visor, washer.